Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare a moist steamed cake using bread. For this, first we are going to caramelize the sugar. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar, add 1 teaspoon of water. Keep it in medium flame and start stirring this continuously until the sugar gets caramelized. It is ready now. It has turned golden brown. Let this cool down. Set this aside. We'll move on to the dry ingredients. Take 4 to 5 slices of bread. Cut them into small pieces like this. Now powder this in a mixie jar. So our bread powder is ready. Now let us mix all the dry ingredients. Take 2 cups of bread powder. To this add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Give everything a nice mix. Here I have used all-purpose flour and sugar, and if you are so health conscious, you can go for the wheat flour and jaggery. The dry ingredients are ready here. Next, the wet ingredients. 2 cups of milk. This is already boiled and cooled milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Give a nice mix. The wet ingredients are also ready. Now add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients little by little and give a nice mix. The batter is ready. It has to be like this. I'm going to add a quarter cup of tutti frutti into this. This is optional, but you can even go for nuts and dry fruits. The cake batter is ready. By this time the caramelized sugar must be thick. Now pour the batter over the caramelized sugar. This cake is not the regular baked one. We are going to steam this in an idli steamer. If you don't have an idli steamer, you can go for any kind of steamer. Steam this in a low flame for about 45 to 50 minutes. This is after 45 minutes. The cake is ready. We can take it out now. Once the cake gets cooled down, loose the corners and turn it. Here our cake is ready. You can top it with some cherries or dry fruits and nuts. Hope you like this recipe. Do give a try. It will be very nice. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.